Hey everyone, my name is Alan Smithson, the CEO of MetaVRse, and today I am super thrilled to announce a new product to the world, one that we think is truly going to change the world. And we believe that in the next decade, we will see transformational changes in how we consume data. We will go from two-dimensional screens to three-dimensional worlds. And we're really proud to be bringing this new product to you, one that we feel will level the playing field for organizations around the world to leverage the transformative power of XR. Before I get started, I just want to explain, I'm going to be using QR codes in this presentation, so you can hold up your phone and your camera, point it at the QR code, it will take you to a browser and you can download either this presentation on PDF, or you can experience some of the live experiences that we're going to talk about in the presentation later on today. Oops. So let's talk about the number of devices that are out there right now. Currently, there are over 5 billion devices that can leverage the power of 3D on the internet right now. So if you have 5 billion devices, let's start building experiences that drive value immediately with an eye and focus to the future of head-worn devices. So we believe that the return on investment is not in 10 years, it is right now. And if you look at the numbers on this chart here, you've got e-commerce seeing 200% increases in time spent on the platform, 85% increases in sales conversions, and 80% decreases in product returns. This is an incredible statistic in e-commerce. Okay, what about marketing? 25 times higher click-through rates, 10 times higher engagement rates, 33% higher conversion rates using 3D and AR. This is not something to be trifled with. Now, if you take off commerce and marketing and we look at something more altruistic like training and education, 70% increases in retention rates, up to 97% reductions in time for information, and 90% reductions in training related costs. Travel, we can't even travel right now. So how do you train people quickly and effectively? And of course, that leads us to the main one that really is a focus for us in the long term is how do we use all this technology, everything that we use for commerce, marketing, training, design, all of these things, how do we leverage those tools for education? Our mission is to unlock the power of spatial computing that's 3D and XR for everyone. Our team has over 50 years combined experience building XR experiences around the world. We have created over 100 projects and 7 world firsts. And we believe that we have built a product that can truly transform this entire industry. We've also built an entire network ecosystem of researchers, developers, designers, affiliates, beautiful XR passionate people in the industry. You watching this right now at AWE, our network is our strength. And so we have a number of different programs, from partnership programs for developers to right through to affiliate programs for sales and value-added resellers. We're really excited. The ecosystem is how we build the future of this product. We can't possibly do it without your help. So please, we're really looking to you to help us make this into something truly transformative. So without further ado, I would like to introduce the MetaVRse Engine. What do you think of the MetaVRse Engine? We're pretty proud of it and we hope you like it. But let me go through some of the details more in depth so you understand the full potential of this platform and what it can do for you and the organizations that you serve. Like I said before, we're going to be using QR codes. So you can actually take out your phone, point your camera at this QR code, it'll take you to the website. You can also click the website link or enter it in there. And you can experience what I'm talking about, this Mercedes-Benz application, for example. You can experience it on the web right now with no app, directly through scanning that barcode. And we're using different examples of that, so you can do that while I'm explaining the different features of the product. So what are some of the use cases that we see for this? Of course, we see e-commerce, retail. Because we can't go to stores, we want to bring the store to you. We also see this for marketing, creating incredible marketing experiences that either fall into ads or you can have anywhere on the internet, wherever you go. And training and education is our sweet spot. It's one of our passionate things and it's our passion project. And we know that we can use this technology to really drive enterprise value through these three verticals. And the reason why these three verticals are important is because the same assets that you use for training can be used for marketing and sales. We're really, really excited to start seeing the cross promotion of these assets across organizations. The MetaVRse Engine is really for business and education. We make it easy for anyone to become a creator. Our platform can quickly help people build and deploy incredible experiences in 3D and XR across all platforms, browsers, and devices. It is a web-based end-to-end solution. We take care of the hosting for you as well. You build it once and you deploy everywhere. Like I said, it is OS, browser, and device agnostic. It's a no-code, low-code system where you can create in hours what normally would have taken you months. There's multi-object and animation support, and of course, synchronous communication. Let's dive into each of those. Here's a medical training demo that you can try right now by scanning this QR code. What we wanted to do here was portray how you could take a very complicated machine, break it down into the very basic constituent educational training parts, and train somebody quickly across anywhere in the world without having to fly a trainer there. So what does web-based end-to-end solution mean? The MetaVRse editor integrates with our cloud hosting service and empowers users to easily create and showcase interactive 3D and XR experiences to all audiences. You can import existing files from external sources or utilize our asset store. Multiple objects support and configurations are also available. You can use drag and drop selection and slider editing for functionality, and customizable backgrounds and animations are all available at your disposal. Check out this QR code. We built this shoe demo in under 24 hours on our platform from scratch. So what is build once, deploy everywhere? The MetaVRse Engine runs on an efficient 3D rendering core designed for mobile-first architecture in mind to empower lifelike, realistic experiences on all devices, whether you're on a mobile phone or a powerful gaming PC. You can preview before you publish, real-time, WYSIWYG, what you see is what you get, and because it's using WebAR, utilizing a trick that we are able to enable and unlock AR Core and ARKit functionality directly from the web using our One App framework. You can copy and paste code directly into any website. You can just take that embed code and put 3D directly on any website. And automatically it will generate publish codes for iOS, Android, virtual and mixed reality headsets, and also spit out a QR code so you can automatically get there right away. Like I said before, it is OS, browser, and device agnostic. The rendering technology works on macOS, Windows, and Linux. It works on Safari, Chrome, Opera, Firefox, Internet Explorer. It works on phones, tablets, and PC computers, as well as Macs. No coding is required because we use templates. These templates, you can build them. If you're a developer, you can build templates. You build an experience, and that template that you built can be now sold or given away on the platform. And what that does is it allows people that are not familiar with coding to download these assets and start building right away based on the templates. It's really exciting. So there's no need to build from scratch. You can get a template that gets you maybe 80% of the way, and you can build the rest of it. It's shareable on all platforms and apps, and you can distribute and sell your templates and information in your code on our asset store. Check out this live demo of this sofa arrangement and see what it looks like in your space in AR. Create with JavaScript code snippets. What the heck is a code snippet? Code snippets allow non-coding professionals to build and edit with little training. What it is customizable. So if you know JavaScript, which a lot of code developers do, you can write JavaScript, you can save that as a code snippet, you can start to change all the parameters and make it easy for somebody else to then take that off the asset store, buy it or download it for free and drag and drop. And now they've got your code. They can start to implement that into all sorts of different experiences. Pre-built code snippets are easily imported, and there'll be a library at the bottom of the editor there where you'll not only be able to get 3D assets, but also these amazing code snippets. You can add or edit existing JavaScript code directly in the editor. Synchronous communication allows us to really work as remote teams. Remote collaboration is the future, especially because we're all working from home. And now, more than ever, we need to be able to share those 3D experiences from a one-to-many and many-to-one. We have facilitator mode, which enables one-to-many experiences through additional controls. Hardware agnostic across computer, tablets, phones, and VR and MR headsets all at the same time. And you can edit 3D objects, scenes, and experiences with others in real time. I encourage you to try the MetaVRse Engine today for free. We're very excited to launch this product here at AWE, and I'm super thrilled, and thank you so much for joining us today. MetaVRse.com, MetaVRse, and I'll be happy to answer any questions you have about the new MetaVRse Engine.